Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome to Tajweed of Quran Academy. I hope are you all good brothers and sisters. Finally today we have the last lesson of English Arabic alphabets series. It's our last lesson. Today we learn the Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya. Lesson number 8. But before that, I have request to all of you to subscribe my channel quickly and press the bell icon for more informative videos of the Tajweed. So let's start. Wow. Wow. Wow is played with the empty part of the mouth. Wow is simple like that in English. Wow, wow, wow. Example of awwala, wa, awwala, wa, walad, wahab. Wow, wa. Standing letters. Wa, awwala. Okay, next letter is ha. Ha. Deepest part of the throat. Ha. Example of halfi, hala, hala, fi, mihadan. It's like a breath. Ha, ha, mihadan. Shahidun, shahidun. Next letter is hamza. Its sound is a. It's similar is hamza zabar a, alif, hamza, antum, antum, jaa, jaa. Last letter is ya, ya. Wrong word is ya. It is wrong. Only ya. Yawma, yawma, yarahu, yarahu. Lam yalid, lam yalid, walam yulad. It is hoped that you will have understood the series of alphabets so far. In the next lesson with the new lesson, God willing, please subscribe to stay with us. Khudafiz wa alaikumussalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khaira.